Hi, everybody. Professor Monty again, and let's talk about permutations. As you see, I've written it NPR, sometimes we call it N permutate R. The number of possible permutations of N items, if we select R of them when order matters, is NPR equals N factorial over N minus R factorial. Now, very, very important. Permutations are used when order matters. If the order doesn't matter, it's a combination. I'll link my video to combinations to this video. But let's see how this works. I'll give you an example. So say we have 4 people. Pick president and vice president. So the first person on the list will be the president, second person on the list will be the vice president. Let's say we have 4 people. We'll just call them A, B, C, and D. Well, let's think of what we can have. We can have A and B, or we can have A and C, or we can have A and D. That's A's president, B's vice president, A's president, C's vice president, etc. Or we could have B with C, or B with D, or we could have C with D. But if order matters, A president, B vice president is different than B president, A vice president. That's why this is a permutation, not a combination. So we could have CA, we can have DA, we can have CB, we can have DB, and we can have DC. So notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of these. Let's see how we can count the number with permutations. So there was 4 people permutate 2 people. So that's going to be 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial. And remember how we do that. It's, let's say this. The bottom is 2 factorial. So the top, let's reduce down to 2 factorial. So it's 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. And I've got a factorial video that you may want to watch for this. And so what I do is the 2 factorials cancel out. And I have 4 times 3 is 12. There's 12 different permutations. Well, yeah, we knew that. There's the 12 different permutations. But the formula for permutate 2, 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial, that's going to tell you how many different factorials or how many different permutations rather there are. And so we listed and we know it's true. That's all there was. So that's how we find permutation. And that's when we use them. Remember, use permutation when order matters. All right. And again, I'll link the video to combinations to this video so you can see the difference. All right. Best of luck to you.